Wonder shall never end though. I don't want to make the thief say want to be governor for inside Facebook. Because that one to be a those state governor, that thief, I'm rubber. To grant it up, HIV positive, John Osage. John Osage more HIV in winning. However, I bring proof now. See, when the proof will come on and say, this is not true. She talk. Wait. Una will be John Osage followers. Una no one will be maybe. Only on a WhatsApp group. Like give John Osage HIV. John Osage the word that one badly now. Say now you are sleep with. Last. And see what they happen now. You don't get HIV. Not be just that one. Many details they come. And also now we be Mumu Foundation people. They follow the Osage the enemy of our time. They attack Barakba. Now we they follow one. Now not go know. Now not go believe. Mona tell them say me go do test come for now. Wahala dey o. Dion, thank God say Dion dey here. Dion, we need self-hate. Which kind of self-hate they give? Huh? You dey work. You don't work 10 hours, 6 hours for my life after so many years. In fact, after 5 years, now yesterday I can't do 6 hours. Now I get 6 hours because I get so many plus hours. I need to work 6 hours yesterday. That's 6 hours now. Straight, no break. Because now just small hours. I don't do break. You know, you feel do 6 hours. How much must say 10 hours? Since they born you, you don't work for your life. If not people money, you try to be positive. Go and bring your test. Go and bring your test. Let me tell you one day. I may be if you know me swag. You know. Now those. I say I did 100% sure. 100% no need. Wait, man, read the comment. I hear him now. When me hear him now, yesterday night I hear him, I was like, Make Dion prove me wrong. Me, I don't want shout before. I go bring her the proof, but make Dion come and prove me wrong. Bring her the test. Then everywhere go. Some people pay. Dion is a mother fucking. I don't know what I want to call her. The girl where he sleep with, the joy. Now the test is, this one. You know, say, eh? I don't want to talk so many things. I don't want to talk so many things. So many things I never want to talk. But very soon, I will bring her come out with my proof of your HIV positive. You are HIV positive. You should go and do HIV result. Go and do HIV results. Because you are a motherfucker. Let me talk and read my lips. This is Ivienivi, one of the universe. Ivienivi no me swag. You don't understand. I want to talk what you not get proof. I have a proof for this. You know, later me all of them come out. All the dogs of Dion, chihuahuas of Dion, and the craze. I will bring proof all of them. And I go fear. I go shame. Useless motherfuckers. At the HIV result they come, I can't tell you now. Waiting, pursue, Winnie, mama from Winnie Papa house. I can't tell you now the jail. I get full gist. He full my this thing. Mona ask Winnie, main Winnie can't swear whether mama still there with the Papa for house. Now see that thing that they accuse me put. I'll call you back, babe. No way. I'll tell you. You don't understand. Now I talk with them get proof. Now it's get proof. And if I see you or any comment here, I block your Papa Nyash. When I tell you say, you don't get HIV. Not just come here, they make me Papa. Tell Dion say me bring the proof. I push on it to you all. My time don't finish. Bye bye. I'll be back. back to sender. More talk for inbox later. We'll talk. I'll give you some kind of download. I'll just give you some more clue. Now, small I want give you. More talk. Me, they know not be lie to talk. More talk. Because me, I know the talk with you not get proof. And I get proof for her. When I say hear her, I tell you, why not they do like this? Why not I just forget more just they do this thing as fun. Just say one be governor for Facebook. We'll go vote for her. Maybe our president, our governor for Facebook, for our SMA party. You know, when they fail, they tell me, I even show the person, I say, why you talk like this? Or that many say, maybe I say, make Dion move, vote for Dion. I can never wish him bad or death. It's like a brother to me. And the person give me details. Kai! Now there I hold my head now, say, I must talk and come out. I must talk and come out. I know why. I for even hide down. I for say me I'm not talking. Because now Dion, they blackmail people pass. All the people waiting for Dion charity organization, all of them are blackmailers. 18 you call, I will come tell you 19 story. 18 Jennifer husband, I will tell you 19 story. Me, I be one pim before. Now, my man don't. Dion, you see that picture you want to buy for 1 million before? Now, you go order one for 5 million. The person go even make money, make the person send down to you. You are a born bastard. HIV positive. You are a born bastard. I be your many vie. Okbeni makeru okbena bi ba ma him down. O ma make your mom. Many vie. Etin, I go bring your story come out. Etin is a murderer. Etin waiting for Highland. I go bring their story come out for now, one by one. Winnie mama waiting come out for a papa house, for pastor house. I go bring everything come out. Just watch and see. This is just the beginning. We give out more. More na tell you make you go bring the results. Make una tell you make you go bring the results. To prove to now. Just write this one. But if I see any insults, I will block your mama nyash, block your papa nyash, Jonah. Yes! Because Dion is a motherfucker. And I get my reason. Don't mean they support Dion before. Oh, thank you for this thing. Uyo me. What you why Uyo me. Hey, mema. Uyo me. Hey, Saloba. Uyo me. They know me Uyo me. Uji. Oh me. Which kind of name be that one? Uyo me. I never hear that kind of name for Benin language before. Uyo me. So, Uyo me, remember. Maybe I tell you something. I like this thing where you write say, you were the one fighting and siding Dion Usage before, and now you are fighting him by calling him such names. Of course, it's HIV positive. I can never deny that. Make I tell you, this thing we write, so I will answer you quickly. You know why I will answer you? Thank God say when I still remember this one, say I was number one Dion Usage supporter. I was number one. Not the only one where they make all these fake accounts we come full. Dion Usage now. People where they support them. People, if Dion Usage there for live video, people where they watch Dion Usage, they are all fake accounts. The time when me they support Dion Usage, all this one, no fake accounts, no fake ass there. Everybody are real. They come out real. Then I was fighting for Dion. I was supporting him. I even fought person. If I lie, I'm gonna ask my pa for Germany. Where I go a party for Germany. I fight somebody because of Dion. I fight the person, one lady. He said, Dion, I said, more fight. The pa was like, how you feel? I said, I don't fight, people tire. Even for my city, I don't get friends because of Dion that time. This one will come out. All these names when they call me so, all these names will not be my own. Now because of Dion, they start to do me all those things. Now because of Dion, neither Undan start to insult his head, that dead among the living. Now I start to now because of Dion. Thank God so now they remember. So this same Dion where they do so, where I don't fight for. Small thing, small misunderstanding happen. He can't beg me, oh, I forgive him. We begin the friends again. For inbox, we invite each other, you know. Small time. Dion Congo they beg my blackmail, best way blackmail me, best way I date. This one of the talks, best way I date. So many years ago, come back, they blackmail me. Somebody I dated so many years ago, not be 3 years ago, not be 4 years ago, so many years ago, come back they blackmail me with my nudity. Then Dion Congo meet that person say he want buy my nudity for a hand for 1 million naira. What Say you want to come blackmail me. Make God, make you will write that thing so. You will write that thing. You will. I will tell my 18 story. You will write that thing so. They will do you that one. I'm not fighting Dion, but I'm just here for the truth. You see, when some fake account wrote it that Dion say the enemy don't die, I came out and fought against it. That's not right. But when I hear this one, I confirm him and I get proof say Dion Osagie is HIV positive and he don't infect in wife. He don't give unto your wife winning. Now one girl that they call Mary, now I give Dion Osagie HIV. You understand? Bye-bye. See you guys later. Details loading. If you want to hear the real gist, join me later or tomorrow. I could give you a proof. But before then, Mona tell Osagie say, may you come prove yourself. This. So Mona they hear me now. Una wait, no, they know. Why I ain't no normal. Una they talk. Una they talk. I fought for Dion Osagie. Because of Dion Osagie, I carry enemy for this Facebook. Because of Dion Osagie, people call me names. Because of Dion Osagie, that dead among the living. Nothing will not do. He go they blackmail my dad. Nothing will that dead among the living not do. Because of this Dion Osagie, they carry my children picture, come and they write RIP for my children picture. I fought for him. Not be all this noise maker so. I fought for him. I go come out. I go come out, I'll say, Dion, anybody will want to be done. More now, leave her more. I put her for my head here. Why do they, Dion Osagie? Why do they? But at the end of the day, that's where they blackmail me. That's your question. I'm not a kid. I'm not your child. How much more you want to ask me? Let me tell you something. All those things when I hear they talk, they go down my own. Me now, I don't get tangible proof where I want to give you now. Hey, God, I don't get time again. You understand? I put her for head. But at the end of the day, now because of that blackmail, now that destiny, go join the foundation. Now, Dion Osagie can use tender 1 million naira. I see person when I want to put for SMP governor. Dion Osagie, no, ya low work, my brother. Woman have you tested well because I go bring all the proof, all the total people waiting for your foundation. I go bring all the alliance come out. 18 princess, I be what they call her, princess husband. 18 princess. Princess husband, princess where they got wait for grass. Now through me.